Good morning, students. My name is A. Vidyaja, Associate Professor of Civil Engineering Department, SVIDC. Today, my topic is hydration of concrete. What is meant by hydration of concrete? Hydration of concrete is nothing but time taken to hydrate of the concrete. It means concrete curing. Generally, we will talk in a general way. It is concrete curing. Heat concrete curing. Hydration of concrete will take place of 28 days for 98%. But for 7 days, hydration of concrete takes place for 60%, 14 days is 70%, 21 days is 95%, 28 days is 98%. So 98% is the maximum hydration done by the concrete. So the period we consider as a days of time. What is hydration? Hydration is nothing but exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction falls in the initial position of the concrete. Why then the exothermic reaction runs by 6 to 7 hours. That means final reaction take 10 hours maximum. 10 hours take place, 10 hours the maximum. Hydration of concrete physically take place. How does hydration of concrete physically take place? You observe a chart. Here we observe the chart. Observe the addition of water, the plastic and microbial paste is a dominant stage. In such a way, observe that when addition of water in a concrete cement at initial setting time, it goes to the final setting time. Then it's rapidly hardened going to extend. With this big hydration will take time. For 28 days of concrete, the concrete specimen must be hydrated and become strong or hardened. That hardened is the compression of concrete, and this is known as hydration of concrete. Due to chemical reaction, consume the paste of tensile solidified in the process. And solid harden has been maintained for the hydration of concrete. First phase is considered chemical reaction dominant stage. Dominant stage is nothing but a stage which has been any reaction doesn't take place. Meanwhile, up to 6 to 7 hours, it taken hydration hour peaks. And initial setting time is 30 seconds maximum. Minimum initial setting time must be hydration of concrete must be 30 seconds in 30 minutes in minimum, 45 minutes in maximum. In between the hydration of concrete and milk. And this heat of hydration. Heat of hydration nothing but heat of hydration. But then heat of hydration. Heat of hydration nothing but heat produced, that is exothermic reaction. Heat produced, that is exothermic reaction. That is known as heat of hydration. To cool on this heat of hydration, we must be kept in a cooling tanks. C3S, as the previous I told, calcium trisilicate at T58 for 3 days, 104 for 2 days. In such a way, take place that in a concrete is considered concrete cube. The inner core must be CHHL, outer core must be CHHL. But external unhydrated cement particles may be reacted in future times. What is calcium silicate hydrate? Remaining a calcium silicate hydrate. The calcium silicate hydrate future times. As I said, the maximum hydration of concrete done for 28 days. But for 98%, what is the remaining? What remain 2%? The remaining 2% has been hydrated to 1 year long. In 1 year long, the CaOH taken to react with SiO2 in presence of water. In contact of water, it will react. And specific gravity of concrete, specific gravity of cement 3.5%. What the main conditions are? The main condition can take place in the hydration of concrete. Hydration of concrete, heat of hydration. Heat of hydration, nothing I told you. When formation of exothermic reaction. To avoid this heat of hydration, we definitely must be cured in the cubes of curing tanks or gunny black any tanks. Otherwise, they will develop shrinkage cracks. Calcium trisilicate hydrate. Calcium trisilicate hydrate is formed at the initial stage of the concrete. That is 6 to 7 hours. Calcium disilicate is formed by the concrete in final stage of concrete. Structure of hydration of concrete. What is the main structure of hydration concrete? In plastic phase and aggregate phase. There are two main structures: plastic phase, aggregate phase. What is my plastic phase? Plastic phase becomes more significant. Plastic phase becomes more significant when there are properties such concrete has strength and durability, permeability, and such concrete will develop. In case of concrete, plastic phase more significance, and the properties will become the such as strength, duration, hydration, permeability, grip, and etc. And aggregate phase very important, has a lesser influence under concrete. Here we observed the importance of deep understanding under the structural element. Thank you, friends.